Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. For Tuesday the 25th of March, the chart I'm going to look at now is cable for sterling dollar, and cable, as similar to the euro yesterday, had a sharp spike higher but then an almost instantaneous retracement. So the daily chart still looks as though it's creaking under the pressure. You've got this uptrend that's been in place since August last year, is beginning to become under serious pressure. The 89-day moving average is holding up cable at the moment, but that is pretty much the only positive aspect to this chart. As you've got, zoom out slightly here, as you've got this top pattern that is in place that gives us an implied target of 63.80. The momentum indicators continue to show a fairly corrective move, although the RSI has formed a slight bit of a low, but the stochastics are pretty negative there. The MACD lines are also turning negative, below the neutral line, which puts them into negative configuration as well. So this chart remains very much under pressure on the daily chart. Intraday, you'll see even that as well. I've pulled back slightly here to show a longer term intraday view where you've got this the 62.50 to 68.22%, 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level is 64.69. Pretty much that is forming a bit of support there. So that's an interesting thing that we need to keep an eye on. But yesterday's high was pretty much bang on that 50% retracement. 65.36 was the retracement, and that was actually bang on. So that's an interesting development as well. So we need to certainly be looking at these Fibonacci levels, I think, on this chart now. Several times over the past few days, the 61.8% has been used. So that continues to be the case, and we're going to be using those certainly as the basis of support and resistance on this chart. What you've got coming out in a minute is very soon is the UK inflation number that could significantly change the outlook on this chart. But certainly on the technicals, you'd argue that the MACD lines have rolled over and are in bearish configuration, just unwinding an oversold situation. The stochastics are fairly negative, and also the RSI continues to, other than that spike that saw an instant retrace, the RSI continues to struggle around about that 50 level. So I would say that this once more is a chance to sell, although trading in front of that inflation data is going to be a risky play. I just maybe hold off until that inflation number, but certainly the technicals are saying in front of that the pressure is still on the downside, and I think ultimately in the next few days any sort of rally, if it were to happen on the back of the inflation data, would be a chance to sell this cable chart. So I wish you good luck in your trading of cable today. Don't forget, as I said, the inflation data at 9:30 GMT, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.